Hi everyone, this is Pooja from 𝗧𝗏 Academy. Today we're going to talk about Summarise spoken text. Summarise spoken text is a task from listening section, and in this task what you have to do is you hear a lecture that can be 40 to 90 seconds long, and all you have to do is write down the summary of the lecture in between 50 to 70 words. And you get 10 minutes to do this task. You're marked on the basis of your content, on the basis of your form, grammar, vocabulary, and spellings. You get 10 points for each summarized spoken text. You get 2 to 3 of these in the exam, and for content you get 2 points. In order to get full 2 points in content, you have to make sure that you write the things related to the audio. All you have to do is you have to write down 10 to 15 keywords from the audio, and in order to get full 2 points in your form, you have to write your summary in between 50 to 70 words. And mind it, if you get 0 in content or form, you'd get 0 in everything. Talking about grammar, if you make no grammatical errors, you get 2 points in your grammar. If you make 1 to 2 grammatical errors, you get 1 point in your grammar. And if you make more than 2 grammatical errors, you get 0 in your grammar. Talking about vocabulary, you don't have to do anything fancy or anything outside of the box. You don't really need to paraphrase things. All you have to do is you have to avoid repetitions of your keywords, and you have to avoid using slangs. Make sure you use academic words, and make sure you don't use any contractions. If you do that, you'll get easy 2 points in your vocab as well. Talking about spellings, for spellings, if you make more than 1 spelling error, you can get 0 in spelling. So make sure you proofread your summary properly, so that you can get full 10 points in your summarized spoken text. So that was about summarized spoken text. If you need more help, please make sure you come and visit us for your free trial classes. We're always there for you.